Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Coinbase to TradingView in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your TradingView account if you haven't already. Over here, simply use the search bar on the top. Then when you are here in the symbols tab, by default, you will be on the all section, but you can click on the option of crypto. It is going to show you all of the cryptocurrencies charts which you can basically launch here in TradingView. So you can click on any of the charts available here. For example, let's say I want to launch the chart of Ethereum. So I'm simply going to click on the option of launch chart right next to Ethereum. Now, once you are here inside the chart view of the cryptocurrency, simply hover over to the bottom left hand corner and click on the option of trading panel. Over here, use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to simply type Coinbase. Now, once you are able to see the Coinbase advanced icon in front of you, simply just click on it once, then click on the option of connect. Now it is going to redirect you here in a new tab on the official website of coinbase.com. You are going to see this type of sign in page in front of you. So here you need to provide your sign in credentials like your email address and your password associated with your Coinbase account. Then simply approve the authentication or authorization. So once this is done, you will be able to easily connect your Coinbase to your TradingView account in no time. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.